Yo guys, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We're back again today with another great and amazing tech video. So the video of today is all about this microphone from FIFINE. It's called the M6. It seems to be a really great kind of microphone from FIFINE. And what's packed through this kind of microphone which captured me, it's all about the range up to 50 feet. It lasts for the battery for 6 hours, and it has a real-time monitoring. That means you can hear directly on the microphone how much it's being monitored throughout here. So it's such an amazing kind of bad boy to test it and check it out and explore it. What's so good about it? So enough of me talking, let us just jump in throughout reviewing this kind of bad boy and see what's packed inside. So let us just unbox it first. So guys, right now we're going to be unboxing this kind of bad boy. Oh, there we go. So first thing first, you're getting this kind of manual over here to understand what's going on. It's inside over here because I'm really kind of skeptical. Okay, you're having this kind of connector throughout your microphone, which is really great, and it jump out here, and you're having this kind of packaging which you have just to store your mics whenever you're not using it. It's really nice, kind of like it. And I'm gonna keep this a bad boy here, and you're having your cable for charging your microphone. This is a USB Type-C, which is great. Last but not least, I guess this is the last but not least, so this is our microphone. It's so big in size, as you can spot it. Not quite bad. I can say there's a difference between this one and the Ulanzi microphone which we checked out last time, but overall it's such an amazing kind of mic throughout FIFINE. So right now, as you can spot it down here, first of all, it has a USB Type-C. And secondly, we're gonna be going test it and see the range, how it's picking up, and see what's good about this kind of microphone. So enough of me talking, let us just get started through our testing this microphone. I'm somewhere here far away from the camera, and I'm testing this kind of microphone because it has capability of going throughout big range, and it seems to be really great. So yeah, we are actually outside, and as you can hear how much the microphone is picking up, really decent, and the road, everything is going on is quite crazy, but still it's capable throughout the range. And I can say the FIFINE microphone is such an amazing microphone compared to just the flow of the microphone, how it is. But by far, I kind of love this microphone the way it is, but overall it's such a great thing. So yeah, I'm going back to the camera. Cameraman. It seems to be this road is crowded today, man. Let's talk about the FIFINE M6 core specs. Well, it has a wireless system of 2.4 GHz with up to 50 feet range, and it has a microphone type of omnidirectional, and on top of that it has a battery life about 5 to 6 hours on full charge. It has a charging time approximately 2 hours. On the real-time monitoring possible with Type-C headphones, and it has a controls power button and mute button on mic, and it has a lightweight about 110 grams, includes clip and windscreen for convenience and noisy reduction. Rain resistance, avoid heavier water exposure. So guys, my final thoughts on the FIFINE M6. Should you consider this kind of bad boy? Is it worth it? Is it not breaking a bank account? Is it like DJI Mic Mini kind of style? Actually, no. The FIFINE microphone is such a budget, low entry kind of mic, which gives you or offers you some kind of few features, but they're not that much kind of crazy, but it's something which you have to consider having it compared to not having it at all. Like, let's say you're shooting with the phone directly on the microphone. You already know that you lose a lot of audio good quality, and if you're a content creator, audio and video supposed to align, supposed to be good, and this kind of microphone, it's on the budget range, so it's something which is not breaking a bank account. It's something which is so affordable, and I really recommend for anyone who would like just to jump through the microphone and have it and use it throughout their kind of content creation. Such an amazing. And another kind of stuff which is so great through this kind of microphone is the way it looks. And talking about the way it looks, the packaging, I like it the way it is. It's something which you just keep it here on your mic. You're ready to go throughout shooting, or you're ready to go throughout recording your audio, and it's such an amazing and decent microphone. So I cannot hesitate throughout here. From the scale of 10 to 0, this kind of microphone, I'm gonna rate it around 8. Yeah, definitely 8. It's so amazing, it's so good, and I really recommend it. So thank you guys for watching. If you're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here. I really appreciate on that. And last but not least, I'm gonna catch you guys on the next tech video. So let's stay sharp and creative. Kudos guys, and peace.